Okay. We know where all of these fingers go, right? Right. You can get them all ready. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add, I'll show you first. E major chord, just so you know. We're going to pluck the low E string first, low E string, and remember, we're going to combine this movement. Remember that? Low E string, D string, 6th string, 4th string, 6th string, 4th string, O'Reilly, oh, a stallion. Okay, we have that. So here's what we're going to do. Step 1, thumb. All right? Now step 2, you know that your thumb for step 2 is supposed to go here, right? Good, of course you do. And this time when you strum or when you pluck this D string, you're going to engage the other 3 fingers as well. So you have that string, the D string, the G string, the B string, and the 3rd finger on the high E string. But they all go simultaneously. All right? And you can, of course, try that. Separate every single thing that we do. Separate it. Get your fingers used to strumming or plucking these 4 strings, these top 4 strings. All right? Let's get these guys out of here. There we go. See? And here's E minor 7, really. Those are your 4 notes, okay? And so you can do your freak out lesson. And you can also approach it from slow and steady wins the race. We can go for accuracy. Okay? It's almost like just grabbing something. Lightly though, lightly. Just bring them together. Is that cool? All simultaneously, all right? So that's step 2. Remember step 1? Right, that's step 1. 1 pluck. 1 pluck for step 1, okay? Step 2, and I'll make an E minor chord for some reason. E major, sorry, we were on E major. Step 1 is the low E string. Then your thumb gets ready, and your other soldiers get ready, your other fingers get ready. There we go, look at that. Well, it's just 2-step process. Step 1, step 2. Step 1, step 2. Step 1, step 2. Step 1. Now I'm over exaggerating this. Step 1, step 2. Step 1, step 2. Step 1, step 2. Step 1, step 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So take a little bit of a break, all right? Take time. This might take 3 or 4 days, depending on, if you're doing it all day, then of course it'll happen a little bit quicker, all right? But that's okay. Give yourself some time, because once you learn it and it's automatic, it's done. That's it. You just know it. You just know it. All right? That's the beauty of all this. So I'm going to zip out. I'll zip back in, and we'll just play some E chords and fool around with it a little bit. Okay? All right. Yeah, you're doing great. Okay? All right.